Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
St. Andrews East, now known as Saint André d'Argenteuil, a charming community located along the Ottawa River in Quebec. This historic town is part of the beautiful Laurentian region, known for its rich history and scenic landscapes. St. Andrews East is one of the oldest settlements in the area, with its roots tracing back to the late 18th century. The town was established by Loyalists who arrived after the American Revolution, alongside immigrants from Scotland and England. This mix of cultures gave the town its unique character and charm. One of the most remarkable historical landmarks here is the first paper mill in Canada, which was built in St. Andrews East. This innovation highlights the town's contribution to early Canadian industry. Additionally, the first bridge across the North River was constructed here, showcasing its importance as a transportation hub in the past. The town's connection to history doesn't stop there. During the Rebellion of 1837, the area witnessed events tied to Canada's early struggles for self-governance. Today, you can explore these stories and more at the Argenteuil County Museum in nearby Carillon, which preserves artifacts and tales from this era. St. Andrews East is also a gateway to the Laurentians, a region shaped by ancient mountains and rivers. Visitors come to enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and boating, as well as the serene beauty of the Ottawa River. The town's historic churches and homes, along with its natural surroundings, make it a picturesque and peaceful destination.
watching.